Hi guys! Well, today I'm gonna teach you what padlock you should avoid buying in a normal application. Why these padlocks are not recommendable for any application at all. Now, here are the features of the padlock which you need to avoid buying. This kind of feature, a padlock, regardless of its shape or size, this kind of padlock are not suitable for any application or a normal application at all. You know why? It can be opened because this has only a one plate that cover all the pins. Okay, now maybe some of you will say, well, I am educating the would-be makers of this padlock, but you're wrong. Those people, unscrupulous people, they already know this kind of this way, and what I am educating is the user and the buyer of this kind of padlock, that this can be easily opened even without a key, and I will show you how. Just a small pin on this, because this is all the pins are covered only by this plate. It can be opened by this way, a very simple one. See that? Oh, it pops out, and you see that the pin is there, and it is all with only covered with look like a sink, and that's how it is easy to open for it. It's the same procedure as that, and it's just a very small screwdriver, with small hammer. Take that out, and it pops out, and it is being covered only by the lid, which is very easy to remove. See that? Drop all the pins. Okay, and anyone can open the padlock without the key. I'm showing you this because I will try to enhance this. Instead of covering with this one, I will cover it with its hole. I will cover it with a single pin. Okay, and in a normal use or padlock that you wish to buy, I recommend something that has not the single plate which covered all the pins, but it has a individual pin that is covering all the chamber and the spring, and this same sample as this, it was before being covered by a single plate, and I modified it and I make it as a individual covering with a pin. The same with this one. Before it was also the same as this, but I modify it to make it more a little bit of quality. And if you want to buy a padlock, try to look for a padlock which has no covered on a single pin like this here, like this kind of padlock. It is being all covered by individual pin on its chamber hole, and they are good quality, and on a normal use they are strong, right? And any illegal attack on this padlock will take time for them, because they will drill a hole each one of it. If this padlock is composed of 6 pins, then you will drill each pin of it in order to access your padlock without key. Alright, so okay folks, so that is what I am trying to imply to you. And here is another one, the same with this padlock. Do not try and buy this padlock even though you think that the key is unduplicable. However, you can access this by prying this thing here. So okay folks, so thanks for watching, and that is just what I said, a knowledge on buying a kind of padlock and what those that you will avoid to buy. Okay, thanks for watching and good day.